Here is the microwave, and we're going to put this full can in a microwave, and we're going to see what actually happens when you put a full can of butane in a microwave. You've got the hiccups.
I know, mate. It's a fucking Doritos.
You ready? There we can see the door is shut. Go.
Is it Zane's outside? Who's outside? Zane. He ain't outside, is he? He's up there.
You smell it?
Died.
Dead, isn't it?
The fucker's dead. Just do not strike a light right now.
I thought I could hear it.
No, it's shut. That's it. It's dead.
We'll not even give it a fucking smash out baseball bat.
I'll bet. No, it's definitely dead.
Oh, no, it's still going!
It's still going.
Oh yeah, now she's going! Where's that fucking blowtorch? I get the cunt going.
I won't be fucking staying there.
That's fine, mate.
There's another smash on its head. This is tin foil in there, Mum. This is spark gun, so it lights the gas. They reckon.
How dull and boring was that?
That gas coming up.
Yeah, it's all butane.
I'm just going to quickly unplug it. I'll bung some tin foil in it so just the sparks to go. Fucking baseball bat.
Go on then, turn it on. Hey!
She's on fire!
Do you know what? It needs a beating. Nah, beating, mate. Proper beating. Just beat that shit out of it.
Fucking prick. So I'm thinking that fucking shitty microwave.
Sorry, mate, you ain't done that.
Fucking bit of crap.
So what the fuck am I going to cook your breakfast in tomorrow?